Ever wondered how much it costs to send money using Paysend? Well, if you have, you're not alone. In today's globalized world, sending money across borders has become a necessity for many. Whether you're supporting family abroad, paying for international studies, or simply transferring funds between accounts, understanding the fees involved is crucial. So, let's dive in and find out just how much Paysend charges to send your money. Understanding Paysend fees. Paysend is a popular international money transfer service known for its competitive fees and fast transfer times. However, like any financial service, there are certain charges associated with using Paysend. These fees can vary depending on several factors, including sending and receiving countries. The fees may differ based on the countries involved in the transaction. Transfer amount. Larger transfer amounts may incur higher fees. Payment method. The method you use to fund your Paysend account can also influence the fees. Breaking down the fees. To give you a clearer picture, let's break down the different fees you might encounter when using Paysend. Transfer fees. This is the primary fee associated with sending money using Paysend. It's typically a percentage of the transfer amount. Paysend often offers competitive transfer fees compared to other money transfer services. It's essential to check the specific transfer fees for your chosen sending and receiving countries. Currency conversion fees. If you're sending money in a different currency than the one received by the recipient, you may be subject to currency conversion fees. Paysend usually uses the interbank exchange rate, which is generally favorable compared to other providers. However, there might be a small markup applied to the exchange rate. Additional fees. In some cases, Paysend may charge additional fees for certain services or payment methods. These fees could include fees for using specific payment methods, e.g., credit cards. Charges for expedited transfers. Fees for cash pickups at agent locations. Factors affecting fees. Several factors can influence the overall cost of using Paysend. Transfer amount. As mentioned earlier, larger transfer amounts may result in higher fees. Payment method. Using certain payment methods, e.g., credit cards, might incur additional fees. Promotional offers. Paysend occasionally offers promotions or discounts that can reduce the fees. Country regulations. Local regulations in the sending and receiving countries can impact the fees. How to check fees. To get an accurate estimate of the fees for your specific transfer, you can use Paysend's fee calculator on their website or app. Contact Paysend's customer support for assistance. Tips for minimizing fees. Here are some tips to help you minimize the fees when using Paysend. Choose the right payment method. Opt for payment methods with lower fees, such as bank transfers. Take advantage of promotions. Keep an eye out for Paysend's promotions and discounts. Transfer larger amounts. Sometimes, transferring larger amounts can result in lower fees per unit of currency. Compare with other providers. Don't hesitate to compare Paysend's fees with other money transfer services to ensure you're getting the best deal. Recap. Paysend offers competitive fees for international money transfers. Fees can vary based on factors like sending and receiving countries, transfer amount, and payment method. Common fees include transfer fees, currency conversion fees, and additional charges for specific services. You can use Paysend's fee calculator or contact customer support to get an accurate estimate. There are strategies to minimize fees, such as choosing the right payment method and taking advantage of promotions. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective way to send money internationally, consider using Paysend. Visit their website or app to learn more and start your transfer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.